Hello guys, so if you're looking to know how to use Calendly, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly what you have to do is just simply create an account in calendly.com. So it's free. So all you have to do is just simply click on sign up for free after coming to calendly.com. So click on that or just simply click on get started. Then just simply sign up with anything, your email address or your Microsoft account. So just simply click on sign up with Google. Now choose account. Now just simply hit allow. Now after that choose your URL. Then click continue. Now enter your email ID for your calendar to sync in. So if you want to change your email ID, just simply click on edit and change your email ID. Then after that click on continue. Now over here enter your availability hours, like from to what time you will be available and on what days. So choose all of that over here. So after that just simply click on continue again. Now over here just simply explain what your role is in this particular work. So let's say for example freelance and consulting. So click on that option and click on finish. Now after that you will be redirected to the main dashboard of Calendly. So as you can see I have 14-day trial period left. So if you want to use Calendly for a long period of time, you might have to get the premium version. Now just simply close this option over here. Now what you can do over here. So now in order to know more things, you can just simply go through this page over here and know how to use Calendly. But I'm going to show you regardless. So firstly close this option. Now firstly what you have to do is just simply delete all the default meetings that are set over here. So all you have to do is just simply click on this icon, then delete, then click on yes. Now in order to create a meeting, what you have to do is just simply click on create over here, then which type of meeting that you want, event type of on-off meeting or meeting poll. So let's create event type. Now choose which type of event you want, one-on-one, group or etc. as you can see right over here. So I'm going to choose one-on-one over here. Just simply click on that. Now enter your event name. You can add your location by updating over here, or you can also add your phone number, your Google Meet, your Zoom, Microsoft Team, or a custom text if you want to. So you have all the options. Now write a brief description about what you're going to do in this meeting. Now over here you will find your event link. You can also change the color of your event from over here. Now as you can see there are a lot of options like Zoom and Microsoft Team. If you want to integrate anything, you can also do that by clicking on the integration options over here. You choose that. You will see you have a lot of options to integrate with, like we are looking for Zoom. So all you do is just simply search Zoom, click on it, then click on connect Zoom. Now just simply sign in into your Zoom and your Zoom will be connected to your Calendly account. Now after you have created a meeting, just simply click on next. Enter the date range of this meeting, like it will be within this next 60 days or a range date where you have to choose from when to when, like this. So let's say from 4th to 11th, this. So after that just simply hit apply. Now you can also choose indefinitely into future, meaning it will happen anytime in the future. Now you can select the duration of your meeting right over here. You can also put a custom duration if you want to. If you want to change it to minutes, hours, it's totally up to you. Now scroll down. Now over here you will have your availability hours. So if you want, you can add your own schedule over here that will automatically added from your Google Calendar, or you can set a custom hours schedule over here, just like that. So as you can see, this is the schedule that we made previously. If you want a custom one, you can make that over here, and you can change it just like that. You can also add days and you can cut days over here. Like for example, you are not available on Saturday and on Sunday, or you can work late on Thursdays up to 9 p.m. So you can change all of it over here. Now you can also add buffer event over here. So what buffer event is? So there's a time period before the meeting actually starts for everyone to come together and wait for the meeting to actually start. End of a lobby where a timer is going to run. So the timer is currently 15 minutes. You can choose 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, it's totally up to you. You can do this for before event and after event. Now after doing all of that, just simply click next. Now your meeting is ready. Also you will have multiple options over here for invite questions, workflow, notifications, community page. You will also have that option over here. Now just simply go back to dashboard by clicking on home and you will see your meeting is now scheduled. So if you want to create another type of meeting, you have to again go to create, choose a meeting, let's say meeting poll, select a date range. For selecting dates, hit next, enter all of the details, then publish meeting poll. So just simply click on publish meeting poll and you will get the link that you can send to people. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.